Welcome to the November Early Release Day and Happy Thanksgiving Week. For the past 2 months, you have collected data and made a goal and a plan. Now it's time for action. What will you do to meet your goal? Today, we'll talk briefly about why it's important to have an SLO and PPG plan, and I'll also give a quick overview of what to expect in January. First, let's look at these two pictures. What do they have in common? Did anyone say goal setting? I know, it's not nice to show a scale the day before Thanksgiving. However, many of us are probably thinking about one thing after Christmas. I need to lose that weight. The other picture is about why we're here. Do we have goals for our students? Are they written down? If they are, do we actually have a plan of action to help us achieve our student learning goal? After we make a goal, the next big step is what will we do to succeed? Will we just wish we were thinner? Will we just keep doing what we always do and hope that our kids learn? Research shows that if we actually write down our goals with a specific plan, we are more likely to achieve them. And this is one of the reasons why we write down our SLOs and our PPGs every year. Here's an example of what an action plan may look like if your goal was to increase the number of students who pass their ACT reading test. You might start formatting your unit assessments to look like ACT, practice a question a week and review the thinking process behind the questions and answers, or you might practice getting better at communicating to your students what they are learning in your class and how it relates to what they need to know on the ACT. Here's an example of our elementary's writing SLO. The action plan includes selecting a common rubric, practicing using rubrics with students and with teachers so that everyone is on the same page. And in addition to practice, there is also optional learning seminars where staff can learn more about writing instruction. Bottom line, creating a goal is the first step, but actually making an action plan will help you follow through on it. Review your action plan today and see if you're on track. If not, what other steps can you take to get there? Are you playing it safe, or are you pushing yourself and your team to get better at teaching? Now let's review today's timeline. PLC times today are the same as they were in September and October. You should have started at 2:15, and the ending time today is 3:50. The first 45 minutes is reserved for your core team to meet together. The only exception is the elementary team. They should be together in the Maze cafeteria watching this video so that they continue with their writing action plan together. At 3 o'clock, your team can stay together, attend a seminar, or attend a second PLC. No one should be in their classroom by themselves. Remember, this is a time to work together as a team. Now let's fast forward to January. Remember, there's no early release in December, so the next time we will be meeting is January 21st, which is a Monday. This is our second full day in service, and like previous years, we are sharing the day with Rib Lake and Prentice teachers. The morning will start with required activities, such as your PLC team meetings, your building staff meetings, and then at 9:30, all staff, including Rib Lake and Prentice, will join us at MASH in the Red White Theater for our keynote speaker, Dave Nagel. He is part of John Hattie's team and will be talking about creating visible learners. After lunch, there are 4 seminar times. You will be required to attend 2. The other 2 time slots you can work in your room or attend additional seminars for professional development units or PDUs. An email will be sent at the beginning of January with a link to sign up for seminars. As always, we're searching for your ideas. If you have an idea for a seminar, especially in the area of personalized blended learning or the use of technology in your classroom, please let me know. We are still in need of seminars for January. And with that, I hope you have a happy and restful Thanksgiving, and we'll see you when you get back.